Okay, it is Luxury Fred, and I am here with Hans, the luxury dog, and we are at another beautiful luxury hotel. Today we are doing a little LA staycation at the Four Seasons Hotel Westlake. The hotel is about 45 minutes or so kind of west of Hollywood in downtown LA, in an area called Westlake Village, near Calabasas, near Thousand Oaks, kind of that area if you're familiar with it. And it's a big luxury resort set in the Santa Monica Mountains, all kinds of things to do here on the property and all kinds of things to do around the property because again, you're in the mountains. There's lots of hiking and horseback riding and bike riding and all kinds of other stuff to do. So I am staying in one of the hotel's Waterfall View King Rooms, and I'm going to give you a tour of my room. Before I get into the tour, I always like to ask, hey, please subscribe to my channel. It's quick, it's easy, it's free. All you got to do is click the subscribe button there. I post all kinds of luxury travel and luxury car and food and wine content and things like that every couple of days. I'm a travel and automotive writer, and I film all of my adventures around the world and bring them to you guys here on YouTube. Okay, so let me show you around the room. First, you can see I've got my canine companion Hans with me here. The hotel is dog friendly. You can see, first I'll start with the reason the room is called a Waterfall View Room. You can see that you have a big waterfall out there and some grass. And again, the hotel is kind of set in the mountains. You can see the mountains over there, Santa Monica Mountains, and has a lot of space. So it's a big property with lots of areas you can walk around and explore. So again, this is called a Waterfall View King Room because we have the king bed. And obviously there's lots of different room categories here at the Four Seasons, lots of suites and stuff like that. So you have this kind of combination dining area and work area. Not really, room isn't really conducive to working. You don't have a specific desk and all that, but you know, the chairs are comfortable and you can sit at the table here. And then you do have the power strip there. You have some kind of Bose, I would assume that's like a Bluetooth speaker or something like that. I haven't explored what that is. You have two phones with the, cordless handsets here. The hotel was very kind to send up some wine and cheese, which is what's under there. And arrived to this very nice fruit and cheese plate with some wine. Perfect after a almost excruciating 4.5-hour drive to get here from Palm Springs because of all the traffic. So very nice. Looking forward to eating this. I'm actually quite hungry. And some Benziger wine. So you have very nice end tables on either side of the bed. I like the fact that you have this outlet and USB charging area right there. You've got these two little reading lights that are actually quite bright at nighttime. You have your room service selection here, your breakfast selection. You can hang that on the door. Extremely, extremely, extremely comfortable bed. I'll put on a graphic here what the kind of bed is, because I think Four Seasons has a specific brand of mattress or bed that they use. It was extremely, extremely comfortable. Then here you have this kind of cool Art Deco piece of furniture with your bar up there. I don't like this. They give you this for the ice tray there, and that's not very Four Seasony. Just a, you know, plastic liner in the ice tray like that. Come on, Four Seasons, step up your game a little with that. So then you have your little kind of bar area, and there's lots of different special drink concoctions that you can make, as you can see here, and a little cocktail stir and a little cocktail measuring thing. And then just continuing on that theme, I noticed there were these two kind of pre-mixed drinks there, which you can imbibe in. And then a little light here, you know, another area to store clothing and stuff like that. You can see the slippers. And moving on, really, really good quality Samsung flat screen TV. Like I was standing in front of the TV watching, because you can see the definition on people's faces, like on news programs and things like that. It was really, really incredible. Just really caught my eye, the quality of the Samsung TV, by the way. And then obviously on the TV, you can see your folio. You can mirror your phone to watch content from there. You have pay-per-view movies, and even has a DVR, so you can record stuff from the TV channels. TV channels have HBO and stuff like that, so there's a lot of different stuff to watch. I like this. This is a trend, I think, in luxury hotels. You've got this kind of single unit here with the TV, with the wood background and stuff like that. But I think it works, and again, the quality of the TV was really good. Really interesting headboard here. Interesting pattern there. Moving on, have my luggage there. We have your mini bar and your kind of coffee station and stuff like that. A couple complaints here about the mini bar. Hey, late at night, I might want a horribly overpriced snack. But the only things that they had in here were some Snickers bars, cashews, gummy bears, and Pringles. And the problem that I did go for the $9 Snickers bars, is the Snickers bars are here, and they're in this enclosed drawer, and that drawer is right above the little refrigerator. So all the heat from the refrigerator goes into here, and all the gummy bears are melted into one solid lump, and all the Snickers bars were also kind of all melted, so it wasn't a good experience, especially for $9. Here you have your Keurig machine, you have a little coffee maker here, you have your Keurig pods and your other teas and coffee service and stuff like that. The little menu here lists a lot more items and snacks that are not in here. I would have liked to have more candy and snacks and things like that. And hey, Four Seasons, the more stuff you put in there, the more stuff people are going to buy and eat. And then in the mini bar, in the refrigerator, you know, you have a selection of some sodas and stuff like that, and then beer and wine and hard alcohol. And I wanted some juice, but looks like there's only one apple juice in there, so it's mainly alcohol. Oh, I guess there's sodas up there too. Moving on, we have a little entry foyer here. I like the fact that you have high-tech do not disturb and please make up room. You don't have to hang a sign on the door. Then you have a, closet here with a safe inside. And fit and finish on everything is really nice. The paint, the hardware on everything. And I think that's where you know that you're in a Four Seasons and you're not in a Hyatt or something like that, is the quality of the hardware and the quality of the furniture. So you have the bathroom. You have this big open door with these kind of barn door that slides closed. Comfortable, big marble bathroom. You have your toilet in there with a telephone. You do have a TV by the sink. You have your big stand-up shower here with a separate shower wand and a shower seat over there. And then you have a big bathtub over here. All right. If you watch my other videos, you know I'm a big fan of baths and bathtubs. I think it's an essential element to every luxury hotel room. And being someone that travels internationally, after I've been flying and traveling for 20 hours or something like that to get to a destination in Europe or Asia or whatever, I love to have a nice warm bath to really relax. So we're here at the Four Seasons in Westlake, outside of Los Angeles, and about to have a bath. And also, when a hotel has a nice bathtub, I love it when they have bubble bath or something to put in it. Too many hotels have really nice bathtubs, but they don't give you any kind of bath amenities. So at least we got a little bath gel here. And then a very nice sink and vanity area, and one minor complaint, the drain doesn't stay closed. See that? It won't stay closed. But other than that, very nice. So I think that concludes the tour. Again, this is room 322, which is a Waterfall View King room here at the Four Seasons Hotel, Westlake. Thank you very much for watching the video. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. You could read more about my stay here at the Four Seasons at luxuryfred.com. And of course, follow me on social media at luxuryfred. And on Instagram, I'm also at eatwithfred and at drivewithfred.